Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this class we will start with ellipse. Okay. So what is ellipse, student? First let me write the definition of the ellipse. An ellipse is the set of points in a plane, the sum of whose distances the sum of whose distances from two fixed point is constant. From two fixed point in the plane is constant. Okay, so let us say these are the 2 points. Let me give the name of these 2 points as f1 and f2. Okay, so from the definition you can see that it is the set of all the points in a plane whose distance is from two fixed points. Let's say this is 1 point. Okay, so r1 plus r2 will r1 plus r2 always remains constant. So when you join all these points, what you will get is an ellipse, and the shape of the ellipse looks like this. Okay students, so this is the shape of the ellipse in which the distance from this point, let's say, and this point. So this is again, let's say, r3 plus r4. So r1 plus r2 will be equals to r3 plus r4. Means the total sum of these two distances from the two focus are constant. Okay, and this axis is called the major axis, and this vertical axis is called the minor axis. Okay, let's say this is the origin O, so this is also called as center. So this is all about ellipse, and this distance is, let's say, C, and the total distance, this is A. And what is the relation between C and A, student? There is a term named as eccentricity. Eccentricity. So the eccentricity in case of ellipse is, it is denoted by E and given as C by A. So eccentricity is C by A, or you can say the relation between C and A is C is equals to AE. So the coordinates of F2 is AE, 0, and F1 is minus AE, 0. Okay, and the coordinate of this endpoints are A, 0, and this is minus A, 0. And for the minor axis it is 0, B, and this is 0, minus B. Okay, so the length of the minor axis is 2B, and major axis is 2A. And student, there is also one more term which you will get passing through the F1, or you can say F2, and this is called as latus rectum. Okay, so what is the formula, or you can say the length of the latus rectum is 2b square by A. There is no need to remember the derivation of how the length of the latus rectum comes as 2b square by A, but there will be questions directly in the exam asking you the length of latus rectum. Okay, so there you need to use this formula where you will be asked to find out the length of latest rectum. Okay, so this is all about, and the standard equation of the ellipse is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal 1. Okay, so, and from the relation of Pythagoras you can say that a square is equals to b square plus c square. Okay, putting the value c equal ae, so you will get a relation between c and b and e also. Okay, so this is all about the ellipse. Okay, so and in the next lecture student we will discuss some questions based on ellipse, how a question will be asked to you in the exam, and we will discuss some different types of questions. Okay, so stay tuned for next lecture on questions based on ellipse. Thank you, happy learning.